Hello foodies! Welcome back to Svedanika the kitchen. Today's recipe is roti pachadi made with sorakaya or bottle gourd. Sorakaya or anapkaya are Telugu names for bottle gourd or lauki. This chutney is prepared in a different way by grinding tempering along with the veggies. Please watch the video without skipping to understand the step-by-step process for this amazing roti pachadi recipe. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. We need cooking oil for tempering and sauteing bottle gourd, coriander seeds, salt and tempering ingredients like cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds and black gram, 7 to 8 green chilies. Adjust according to your spice level. Hero ingredient of our recipe, bottle gourd or sorakaya. Have you ever wondered why to trash the peels of bottle gourd? These peels are rich in fiber and essential minerals, helps in reducing blood sugar and very helpful for diabetics. Contains more than 90% water and thus makes an excellent low-calorie food and helpful in reducing weight. Let's save these peels for our roti pachadi. Keep it aside and cut the bottle gourd into small cubes. Our bottle gourd pieces are ready. Now make the chutney using these pieces and peels together. Let's start our next procedure. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Add bottle gourd peels first as they take more time to cook than bottle gourd pieces. Saute until the borders turn brown. Now the borders of the peels are browned. Let's add our bottle gourd pieces. Saute for a while and close the lid. Let it cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now open the lid and saute once. See, all the pieces are soft and cooked. Let's transfer these pieces into a bowl and keep it aside to cool down. Now in the same pan add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Let's add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon black gram, 2 teaspoons coriander seeds and green chilies. Saute everything on medium heat. Don't let the tempering burn. Now add 1 teaspoon sesame seeds and saute everything. If you wish, you can add peanuts at this stage. Now our tempering is ready. Transfer this tempering into a mortar and pestle. In this tempering, if you want, you can add curry leaves. Now add salt as per your taste. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon salt for whole bottle gourd roti pachadi. Now add small lemon-sized tamarind. I prefer not to add garlic in this roti pachadi. Pound the tempering along with tamarind into a thick paste. Now the tempering is ground completely. It's time to add roasted bottle gourd peels and pieces. Grind everything in mortar and pestle. Grind until everything is crushed and mixed properly. It takes a while. It took me around 15 minutes to grind to this stage. Roti pachadi texture shouldn't be smooth like a paste. It should be coarse. If you are making this roti pachadi in mixer, then use pulse mode to get the coarse texture. Now everything is ground properly. Add 1/4 cup coconut slices. This is completely optional, but adding coconut enhances flavor and texture to the roti pachadi. Ground until all coconut slices are crushed. Now our roti pachadi is ready to serve. Enjoy this roti pachadi with hot steamed rice along with a gallop of desi ghee. It tastes divine. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Do try this recipe and don't forget to share your feedback with us. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.